Hey, welcome back to the Shop Talk series where I talk a little business at you, usually Etsy. Wanted to recap what happened in 2025, talk about some stuff that went well for us as a business, some stuff that maybe didn't go as well. So, gotta start with YouTube. Thank you guys so much. It's been amazing to see what kind of growth has actually come, even though I'm not able to post videos as often as I would like because I have to run the business. The Christmas crunch starts in October for us, and then I just kind of get on this treadmill where I'm trying to keep up. So sorry for not posting as often as I could. One of our biggest items this year easily was cribbage boards, of all things. We told ourselves in the beginning we're not going to compete in cribbage boards, but we finally decided to offer this 4-track design. And it's got the onboard storage for cards and pegs. People seem to really like that. It's done really well, reviewed really well. This is a fancy pen holder that we got. Pen holders have been great for us. This is a bloodwood version that gets us a little bit of a markup, a little better margin on it because it's got the fancy wood. But normally we are rocking these guys here, the black walnut 10-hole pen holder, the cherry 10-hole, and these 6-hole variants have been really popular. Compost bins have been another bright spot for us this year. It's a countertop compost bin. Basically, you put your kitchen scraps in this stainless steel insert that we dress up really nice with solid cherry or walnut or maple. And it keeps a nice lid on the scraps. Odor and bugs, both minimal. Dishwasher safe. People seem to like them. One area that we didn't do so hot in, and we didn't really expect to, if we're honest, is cutting boards. We suspected the market was pretty saturated with these. A lot of people just never really go past cutting boards, they just specialize in them and stay there. That's fine. We tried to compete with this version that has a super deep juice groove. Anytime we launch something on Etsy, we try to make it stand out in one way or another to try to make it more competitive. This guy, we've sold a couple. It's been worth doing, but we really thought it would catch on a little more. It's okay. Just means we have more to learn. Spatulas. You may have seen a spatula video recently from us. Got this new angled design that we actually did list on Etsy. It sold out pretty quick. I made a few more batches. They sold out, and then I got cut up. Just trying to keep up with the business into December. So looking to get this restocked soon. And pumped that there was such a response to these. These are some that we have in progress right now. They don't have the finish on them yet, but most of the sanding's done. Check out that video if you want to see how to make these. Here's a little teaser of the next full build video I got going. It's in the works right now, being edited, so stay tuned for this napkin holder build. It's going to involve a glue up with some walnut and some maple, and then taking things over to the router, the sander, get these nice designs. Thank you guys so much for the support. Hoping to post more going forward. I know I've been dragging my feet, haven't really been getting that many videos out, but I'm working on it. Thanks for hanging in there, and I hope 2026 is off to a great start for you guys. Peace.